Being friends, life without plastics. Is it possible for us to live a life without plastics? It's a great question for all of us to ask ourselves. So we all live in different lives, so no one answer will be enough. But if you try to look into your own daily living, you can get part of the answer as you visualize what you would see in the place of plastics. So plastic has become a constant element in our lives. It's everywhere. So it's in the product packaging, cosmetic ingredients, textiles, mobile phones, etc. It's even in the chewing gum you might be chewing on right now. So while plastic has many valuable uses, we have become addicted to single-use or disposable plastics with severe environmental consequences. So how did we get here? From the 1950s to 70s, only a small amount of plastics was produced. So plastic waste was relatively manageable. But the 90s, plastic waste generation had more than tripled in 2 decades, following a similar rise in plastic productions. So in the early 2Ks, our output of plastic waste rise more in a single decade than it had in the previous 40 years. So today we produce about 300 million tons of plastic waste every year. So that's nearly equivalent to the weight of the entire human populations. So why we use plastics? The popularity of plastic is due not only to its low production cost but also its numerous practical characteristics, including its low weight, acid resistance, flexibility. In addition, plastic flexible properties encourage technological innovations, particularly in the field of medicine, building technology, and aircraft automobile manufacturing. So it lead to a new solution, improvements and comfort too. So yet the tremendous consumption of plastic also presents numerous problems. A large part of the plastic quickly ends up in the garbage. So a standard plastic is not biodegradable. It pollutes our environment for decades or even centuries. So today, mountains of plastics are piling up in the garbage dumps, so and in the natural world. Only 9% of all plastic waste ever produced has been recycled, while the rest has accumulated in the landfills, dumps on the natural environment. For example, cigarette butts whose filters contains tiny plastic fibers were the most common type of plastic waste found in the environment in a recent global survey. Drinking bottles, bottle caps, food wrappers, grocery bags, straws were the next most common items. So many of us use these products every day without even thinking about where they might end up. So plastic waste takes up landfill spaces, enter water bodies, and in the process of degrading, it releases toxic chemicals which mix with the soil and water and a threat to life of environment. So plastic has become one of the most harmful materials to our environment, from polluting oceans and harming wildlife to filling up landfills for decades without decomposing. This material is having devastating short-term and long-term effects on our planet. So our society has become increasingly dependent on plastic products. So making the shift to living with less plastic can be challenged. Minimizing the consumption of plastic is much simpler than it seems. So living as plastic free as possible is challenging, but it is important for all of us to do what we can. So we can avoid single-use plastics such as plates and cutlery made from the material makes our life easier, but seriously harm the planet. These types of products have viable alternative and there is an urgent need to choose these. And if you go shopping, remember to take a cloth bag. So we all go to the supermarket at least once a week to fill up our fridges. So in every time we go, we use reusable bags. The health of our planet will improve. From now on, remember to take yours when leaving the house. So recycled chewing gum, it also makes of plastic, So most chewing gum currently on the market contains plastics. Try to buy less chewing gum and throw it in the correct recycle container, and you can also opt for natural and organic chewing gums. And next thing is buy more bulk food and fewer packaged products, and replace plastic Tupperware for glass or steel containers. So if you eat at work or you are packing food for your children, a Tupperware container is part of your day. I suggest you to change your routine and opt for glass or stainless steel containers. So not only will the planet appreciate it, so will your health, because some of these plastic containers can release harmful substances. And when hanging out washing, use wooden pegs instead of plastic ones. So even the smallest of actions can have a major positive impact on our planet. So, and make those around you aware of the importance of reducing the consumption of plastic. If in addition to reducing your consumption of plastic, you manage to get your family, friends and co-workers to do the same by setting an example. So the impact of your actions will be, they can follow. And pay attention and put your plastic waste in the correct recycling container. So our lifestyle sometimes prevent us from paying attention to details. So therefore, when it comes to recycling plastic waste, it can ends up in the wrong container. So before throwing your waste away, think where each item has to go. And avoid using cosmetics that use microplastics. Buy a biodegradable brush and wear natural fabrics.